Hey there, this is Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make dairy-free eggnog with healthy food alternatives. This is one of those super easy eggnog recipes, and it's a sugar-free, lactose-free eggnog. And I also share my secret sauce for superb flavor. After watching, make sure you go to the description below and download my Happy Gut Desserts ebook. Wow. This dairy-free eggnog is a holiday tradition for so many, and I especially like this recipe because it's not too sweet, yet it's rich tasting, high in protein, and it supports a healthy gut diet plan. Plus, you can make it in just a couple of minutes. First, take a third cup of raw cashews, soak them in water for about 2 hours, drain, add to blender, then add 2 cups of almond or coconut milk, and 1 can full fat, coconut milk, 3 eggs, a 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup, 2 teaspoons vanilla, and then my secret sauce, 3 drops of cinnamon essential oil, and 1 drop ginger. These are both for immune boosting. Pinch nutmeg, pinch salt, and an 1/8 teaspoon xanthan gum. This is totally optional, but it is your binder. Then we're just going to blend it well. You'll want to do that for at least 1 minute so you can make sure that your nuts are blended very, very smooth. Then it's ready to serve. I like to just pour it in my jar or my serving glasses and sprinkle with a pinch of ground cinnamon. It's so delicious, you'd never believe that it's dairy-free and sugar-free as well. I hope you enjoy that. Make sure you go to the description, ask your questions, comment, download my Happy Gut Desserts ebook there, then like and subscribe.